Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn any toaster into a controller for your PC game or computer. All you need is any toaster and a PC game or computer. There's no engineering experience required, and this can be done in 3 easy steps by absolutely anyone. Now the only thing you have to worry about is to make sure that your toaster was manufactured in the past couple years. This is because a couple years ago manufacturers switched to an industry standard microcontroller to regulate the temperature of toasters' heating coils. So you're going to want to open up your toaster and look for the USB port attached to the microcontroller in the toaster. This USB port is used for transferring the microcontroller software when the toaster is built. They leave the USB port in the toaster because it's cheaper than just to remove it. So you're going to want to plug in any USB cable into this port. Any USB cable into the port. Close the toaster and make sure the other end of the cable is plugged in to the computer. Now, if you're using a Windows machine, the hard part's already done. This is because the factories that manufacture the toasters also run Windows, so the drivers to use the toaster should already be built into your computer. But just to make sure, we're going to check to make sure that our toaster shows up in the device manager. So, just go to your device manager, make sure your toaster shows up. As you can see, ours shows up as a toaster. And then close it. Now the last thing we have to do is remap this lever to control our computer. Now by default, this lever acts as the enter key, but we're going to want to change it to something more useful for a game. So go into the start menu, type CMD, and open the command prompt. Now when you plug your toaster into your computer, it automatically activates the toaster rebind program. This will allow us to change what this lever does on the keyboard. So to do this, type toast remap and then the letter you want to have this lever activate. And since we're going to be playing Doom, we're going to choose the letter A. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that this lever actually replaces the key on the keyboard that it's mapped to. So we cannot press enter anymore because that's what this is mapped to by default. So we're going to have to send the command with this lever. Great. Now our toaster lever is mapped to the letter A. Now we can try our game. As you can see, people are shooting at us, but there's not much we can do with the letter A. So we're going to remap the key to the letter W so we can move forward. And again, we're going to type toast, remap, and then W.